Hey guys, Busy Mommy here, and today we're going to teach you a little bit about how to make the perfect brew. So we have many ways here at the Phillips household in how to make coffee. And our favorite way is to utilize the Chemex. So then you choose your favorite beans to grind with. Ours happen to be the amazing Aspire coffee. So we love this coffee on so many levels because not only is it delicious, but it gives back, which makes it that much more tasty, maybe? Tastier? However you decide to say it. So once you have your beans in the grinder, you're going to grind them up. Now you can buy whole beans like we do, or you can choose to buy ground up beans. Definitely if you go and get them ground somewhere, make sure that they do a little bit of a coarser grind. So you don't want quite the espresso grind, which happens to be a very thin grind. So just grind them up, get them ready to pour into the prepared filter. Then you're going to fold the filter so that it makes a small square. And what happens is you leave 3 pieces on one side and 1 on the other. And then you're going to place it on top of your Chemex, as you see here. Once you place it on there, you're going to have to basically just get the filter ready. And to do that, you put a little bit of hot water in it, let it seep all the way through, and then you empty that out and bring it back. So this prepares it for everything. Then you're going to add your ground up beans to the filter and pour just enough water to cover them entirely. Basically what we're gonna do here is we're gonna release the gases of the beans, and you'll see a little bit of the bubbles. So this is what makes the coffee bloom and get that beautiful texture and that beautiful rich flavor. So you're gonna make sure that you let those beans bloom, wait a few minutes, then you're gonna keep pouring water up until you get to probably the very top of the lip of the Chemex. Then you let that steep. And as you can see here, we let that steep. You keep doing it until you have about, we usually do it to a little over half of the bottom of the Chemex carafe. And once you get to that level, then you can take off the filter. So once the coffee is done brewing, then you're going to pour into your favorite coffee cup, and ours happens to be the Aspire coffee cup. And then you're going to add your steamed milk to it. Now you can utilize steamed milk, and we'll have a little tutorial on how we steam our milk. You can do a steamed milk, you can do creamer, you can do whatever you prefer in your coffee. And then stir and enjoy. So the most important part to getting a perfect cup of coffee, at least for me, is when my little baby girls bring them to me while I'm writing recipes. So enjoy your cup of coffee. Hope you liked it.